this video if you missed video number 1, video number 2. So first thing, you need to watch video number 1, then video number 2, then you will then watch this video number 3, so that there will be consistency in your understanding. Right, so this is our last video. So now from the video number 2, I was explaining the approach that we use when we prepare the trial balance, the technique that we use to prepare the trial balance. So in this video now, I'm now going to explain how to, like, the structure, the layout of a trial balance, but linking it with the approach. So this is the approach that we use, the approach of Pews. So I want now to link this approach of Pews together with the layout of a trial balance. So remember, in exam, they will bring you information like this. So now you need to put these accounts into debit or credit. Like what I said, that the main concept when it comes to the preparation of a trial balance, you just need to know the items that we record on the debit side, the items that we record on the credit side. And how do you know that? You must understand the approach of Pews. So let's now use Pews. Right, so remember I said, for an example, capital. We want to see whether we are going to post capital on the debit side or on the credit side, or we want to see the side that capital maintained in the trial balance. So the first thing is to put capital on Pews first. So capital is under which term here on Pews? So capital is part of revenue. So we classify capital under what? Under revenue, because we are saying capital, this is the money that the owner invests into the business. So to the business is part of revenue, right? So capital, hence you record it on the credit side, because revenue, they are on credit side according to the Pews. Then sales, this one is very clear. As you can see, sales are here, they are on credit side. So you put sales on credit side. So the reason why I'm using these X's is just a layout, but in exam, you use the actual figure. Right, then sales returns, you need to know that sales returns is part of, sales returns is the same as returns inwards. So in exam, don't be confused, because you see examiners, they are very clever. They know that, sales returns, they go opposite sales. So what they do now, they use another term, which just means means the same as sales returns, which is returns inwards. So you need to know that sales returns and returns inwards is just the same. They go opposite sales. So sales, they're on credit side, and sales returns, they're on debit side. Then purchases, as you can see, purchases, they are on debit side according to Pews, so you put them on debit side. Then purchase returns, they go opposite purchases, so hence we are going to post them on credit side. So purchase returns is the same as returns outwards. Then drawings in terms of Pews, you just classify them as expenses. Drawings, these are goods or cash withdrawn by the owner for personal use. But in terms of Pews, just classify drawings as expenses, right? Hence you record them on debit side. Then discount received on Pews, this is revenue, hence you record it on credit side. Then discount allowed on Pews, this is an expense, hence you record it on debit side. Then motor van, this is an asset, right? Motor van is an asset, hence you record it on debit side. Furniture is also an asset, hence you record it on debit side. Then land and buildings, according to Pews, is an asset, hence you record it on debit side. Then debtors is also an asset, hence you record it on debit side. Then creditors, these are liabilities, hence you record it on credit side. Then bank overdraft, these are liabilities, hence you record it on credit side. Then electricity, this is an expense, hence you record it on debit side. We do have many accounts. These are not only accounts that we post in the trial balance, but it's just a layout, it's just an example. We cannot finish all accounts, right? So it's just an example. So what are you going to do at the end? Trial balance, it needs to balance. The debit side must be equal to the credit side. If you see your trial balance not agreeing, the debit side more than the will be. If you see the debit side is more than the credit side or the opposite, it means there is an error, right? But in a normal circumstance, in the event that there is no any error, the credit side must be equal to the debit side. So what are you going to do when you are done posting entries on the debit side and entries on the credit side? You just add everything. Let's start with the credit side. You add everything. Then you put the figure here. Then also you add everything. Then you see the same answer that is here will be also here. So it means you are done. So the trial balance, it means the trial balance will be balanced. So the debit side will be equal to the credit side. So this is how you prepare the trial balance. This is how you link the approach with the layout. So please, what I encourage you guys is to work hard. Remember, only 2 months left for those candidates, those who are going to write for, those who are going to sit for November, October, November final exams. Only 2 months left. So please, let's work hard. It's not only me that needs to work hard, also you as a learner, because me, remember me, I'm not going to sit for any exam, and I'm not the one who's going to write this exam. It's you. So please, what you need to do, please work hard. Start now. Even if we are in winter, because we know you guys with winter, you don't want to wake up maybe around 12 to wake to start. But please, I encourage you guys to work hard. Encourage you to work hard, and please don't forget to come and purchase the textbook. This textbook is very unique. This textbook is very unique. Why? Because it carries modern techniques. It carries modern approaches that we use that simplifies accounting. Because remember, in that textbook, I even indicated that the reason why many schools, because this is the reality, guys, many schools are even dropping this subject of accounting. They are not even offering accounting. Why? Because they are achieving 0% each and every year. Many students, you know, most, when you started Form 3, when you started Form 4, like you were 50 doing accounting, but now you are now approaching exams. Maybe you are only left, you are only one now. Maybe you are now 5, you are only 10 out of 100 students. Right? Why? Because they are saying accounting is very hard. The reason why sometimes account become hard to for you guys is because the textbooks that you are not using, that you are using, some of them they are very hard to understand. Right? Because some of you, you'll be doing self-studies, online classes. Then you say accounting is very hard. No, accounting is not hard. Try this book. Try Ronalds Accounting Textbook. And it's very cheap. There's PDF, there's hard copy. So thank you very much, guys. Don't forget to follow all my social media channels. And yes, all my social media channels.